Namaste. Hi guys, welcome to Sugar Swap, and I'm your keto coach Swapna Madhukar. I'm also the founder of sugarswap.in, and today I'm going to show you one amazingly easiest recipe, which is a keto, low carb, sugar free 100%, and of course it can be made vegan also. Just substitute the milk with vegan milk, that's it. So this recipe is made in minutes, and anybody can make, even a child can make it. That's as simple and as easy it is. So let's start with this amazing recipe. These are the keto coconut laddus, and let's get into the Sugar Swap's kitchen to make it. Let's go. So guys, hope you love this video, and please do let us know in the comment section if you want us to make more videos on keto recipes or vegan recipes or gluten-free recipes. We will do that for you. And also please do like, share and subscribe our channel, and do share it with your loved ones. Thank you. Namaste.